In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create embedded forms, landing pages, and campaigns on Mailchimp. Let's dive right in and start enhancing your marketing strategy with Mailchimp's powerful tools. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Mailchimp dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Audience. This section is where you manage your contacts, so it's the perfect place to start setting up your forms. In the Audience section, look for a drop-down menu labeled Sign Up Forms. Selecting this will take you to a range of form options. Mailchimp provides a few different types of forms to collect subscriber information, and these are customizable to suit your specific needs. Let's explore these options a bit further. There's the Form Builder, a straightforward drag and drop tool that allows you to customize your form's appearance and fields. This is a great option if you need a flexible form design to collect various types of subscriber information. Next we have Embedded Forms, which is a handy choice if you'd like to add a form directly onto your website using HTML. This means visitors won't have to navigate away from your site to subscribe, keeping everything smooth and seamless. Let's first create a form using the Form Builder. From the available options within Sign Up Forms, select Form Builder. Here you can tailor the form to your liking, add fields such as name, email, and any other information you deem necessary for your campaign or audience engagement. Now, if you're leaning towards embedding a form directly onto your site, let's explore embedded forms. Select embedded forms from the list and you'll notice Mailchimp generates HTML code specifically for your site. This is what you'll use to place the form exactly where you want it on your web page. Once you've got that HTML code on hand, it's time to implement it. Copy the generated code and paste it into your website's HTML. Make sure to place the code in the spot where you'd like the form to appear, ensuring it's user-friendly and easily accessible for visitors. And that's it, you've now learned how to create and customize forms in Mailchimp that can either stand alone with the form builder or be integrated seamlessly into your own website. By doing this, you're making it easy for users to subscribe and engage with your content directly, enhancing the user experience and increasing your potential reach. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide on using Mailchimp's form features. Be sure to take advantage of the customization options available to really tailor your forms to meet your marketing needs. Happy campaigning, and until next time.